Here in this lesson, we are going to quickly fix one thing, and that is, whenever you are inside the dashboard, just click on the refresh button, and here you can see you are being logged out and redirected to the login. So we need to fix this thing very quickly. Let's get back to the editor and fix this one. Go to the main.js file, and here we need to create one variable, and we need to import auth. Here we are using onAuth state changed observer on our auth object. This observer ensures that the auth object is not in intermediate stage. And after that, we have a if condition, if not app. And here inside this, we are creating our Vue instance. Now, by using this observer here, we are making sure that if the user refreshes the page, then in that case, Firebase will initialize before loading the app. Now let's save this and get back to the browser and see whether it's working or not. I have logged in to my account, and now if I click on refresh, here you can see we are still being redirected to the dashboard, and we are able to manage the authentication state.